Afghan English Academy.
Amir, I need a favor. Can you help me?
Amir, I need a favor. زه یو کومک ته ضرورت لرم. Can you help me? آیا ته کولی شې چې زما کومک وکړې؟ Favor ویل کېږي کومک ته.
Don't hesitate. What's the matter? Are you okay?
Don't hesitate. زړه نازړه مه کېږه. Hesitate ویل کېږي زړه نازړه کېدل. What's the matter? څه مسله ده؟ Are you okay? آیا ته ټیک یې؟
Susan fired my mom. My mom needs a job. Can you help me in this case?
Susan fired my mom. Susan زما مور له کار څخه وباسله. ملګرو fire ویل کېږي یو څوک له وظیفې څخه باسل. My mom needs a job. زما مور یوې وظیفې ته ضرورت لري. Can you help me in this case? آیا ته کولی شې چې په دې کیس کې له ما سره کومک وکړې؟
Your mom can work in my house. If you don't mind, I will talk to my dad.
Your mom can work in my house. تا مور کولی شي چې زموږ کور کې کار وکړي. If you don't mind که چېرته ته خفه کېږې نه. I will talk to my dad. زه به له خپل پلار سره خبرې وکړم.
Thank you, Amir. Your dad is a good person. My mom would like to work in your house.
Thank you, Amir. مننه امیره. Your dad is a good person. ستا پلار یو ښه شخص دی. My mom would like to work in your house. زما مور به ستا په کور کې کار وکړي په خوښۍ سره.
Hello, madam. Who is that girl? Do you have her photo?
Hello, madam. سلام میډمه. Who is that girl? هغه جنۍ څوک ده؟ Do you have her photo? آیا ته د هغه عکس لرې؟
I am sending you her photo. Her name is Daisy.
I am sending you her photo. زه تا ته د هغې عکس درلیږم. Her name is Daisy. د هغې نوم ډیزي ده.
I got it. Don't worry. I will kidnap her today. Do I have to kill her?
I got it. زه پوه شوم. Don't worry. پریشانه کېږه مه. I will kidnap her today. زه به هغه نن اغوا کړم. Kidnap ویل کېږي اغوا کول د یو انسان تښتول. Do I have to kill her? آیا زه باید هغه ووژنم؟ kill ویل کېږي وژلو ته.
No. You don't need to kill her right now. I will tell you later.
No, you don't need to kill her right now. تا ته ضرورت نشته چې ته هغه ووژنې. I will tell you later. زه به تا ته وروسته بیا ووایم.
Okay, madam. I need $10,000 right now. I am a professional kidnapper.
Okay, madam. ټیک دی میډمه. I need 10,000 right now. زه اوس $10,000 ته ضرورت لرم. I am a professional kidnapper. زه یو خاص اغوا کوونکی یم.
Here you go. I don't want any complaint. I hope you got it.
Here you go. دا واخله. I don't want any complaint. زه کوم شکایت نه غواړم. complaint ورکېږي شکایت ته. I hope you got it. زه امید لرم چې ته پوه شوی یې.
I have good news, Mom. You have got a job now.
I have good news, Mom. زه یو ښه خبر لرم مورې. You have got a job now. ته اوس یو وظیفه لرې.
Really? I am so happy today. Did Amir help you?
Really? په حقیقت سره I am so happy today. زه نن ډېره زیاته خوشحاله یم. Did Amir help you? آیا امیر تا سره کومک وکړ؟
Yes, Mom. He helped me. I will tell you everything later. I am coming home.
Yes, Mom. هو مورې. He helped me. هغه زما کومک وکړ. I will tell you everything later. زه به تا ته هر څه وروسته ووایم. I am coming home. زه کور ته در روانه یم. درځم.
Don't move.
Don't move. حرکت ونه کړې.
Who are you? What do you want?
Who are you? څوک یې ته؟ What do you want? څه غواړې؟
Keep your mouth shut. You have to come with me.
Keep your mouth shut. خوله دې بنده وساته. You have to come with me. ته باید له ما سره لاړه شې.
Please put your gun down. I don't have money. Let me go.
Please put your gun down. مهرباني وکړه توپانچه دې کته کړه. I don't have money. زه روپۍ نه لرم. Let me go. ما ته اجازه راکړه چې لاړه شم.
I don't need money. I want to kidnap you. Come on.
I don't need money. زه روپو ته ضرورت نه لرم. I want to kidnap you. زه غواړم چې تا اغوا کړم. Come on راځه.
Please let me go. I am a poor girl. I don't have money.
Please let me go. مهرباني وکړه ما پرېږده چې لاړه شم. I am a poor girl. زه یوه غریبه جینۍ یم. I don't have money. زه روپۍ نه لرم.
I said I don't need money. Keep quiet and come with me.
I said I don't need money. ما درته ویلې چې زه روپو ته ضرورت نه لرم. Keep quiet. خاموشه شه and come with me. او له ما سره راځه.
Don't move. I can kill you.
Don't move. حرکت ونه کې. I can kill you. زه کولی شم چې تا ووژنم.
I have kidnapped Daisy. I will take her out of this city.
I have kidnapped Daisy. ما دیدی تختولې ده. یعنې اغوا کړې مې ده. I will take her out of this city. زه به هغه له دې ښار څخه بهر وباسم.
Bravo. You did a great job. It was a piece of cake for you.
Bravo. شاباس. You did a great job. تا یو ښه وظیفه ترلاسه کړه. یو ښه کار دې وکړ. It was a piece of cake for you. دا ستا لپاره ډېر زیات اسانه و. A piece of cake مطلب د ملګرو ډېره اسان کار.
You know your work. I will call you later. Don't call me.
You know your work. ته خپل کار پیژنې. I will call you later. زه به تا ته وروسته بیا زنګ ووهم. Don't call me. ما ته زنګ ونه وهې.
I have to meet Amir now. He is just mine.
I have to meet Amir now. زه باید اوس له امیر سره ملاقات وکړم. He is just mine. هغه یوازې زما دی.
Amir, my darling. Can we talk?
Amir, my darling. امیر زما محبوبه. Can we talk? آیا موږ خبرې کولی شو؟
What are you doing in my house? I don't want to talk to you.
What are you doing in my house? ته زما په کور کې څه کوې؟ I don't want to talk to you. زه نه غواړم چې تا سره خبرې وکړم.
Why are you doing this to me? I am your best friend. You hurt me a lot.
Why are you doing this to me? ته ولې داسې له ما سره کوې؟ I'm your best friend. زه ستا یو ښه ملګری یم. You hurt me a lot. ته ما ډېر خفه کوې ډېره زیاته.
You are a selfish girl. You don't love me at all.
You are a selfish girl. ته یوه خودغرضه جینۍ یې. Selfish ویل کېږي خودغرضه چې د خپل ځان باره کې فکر کوي. You don't love me at all. ته له ما سره هیڅ مینه نه کوي.
You accused Daisy's mother of stealing. She was a poor lady.
You accused Daisy's mother of stealing. تا د ډیزي په مور باندې د دروغو تهمت ولګوو. Accuse ویل کېږي تهمت لګول. She was a poor lady. هغه یوه غریبه ښځه وه.
Get out of my house. We are not friends anymore. I love Daisy.
Get out of my house. زما له کور څخه ووځه. We are not friends anymore. موږ نور ملګري نه یو. I love Daisy. زه ډیزي سره مینه کوم.
I am so sorry for everything. I was wrong. I accept my mistake.
I am so sorry for everything. زه د هر څه لپاره ډیره بخښنه غواړم. I was wrong. زه غلطه ومه. I accept my mistake. زه خپله غلطي منمه. Accept ویل کېږي منلو ته او mistake ویل کېږي غلطي ته.
I will talk to Daisy. I will apologize to her. Please give me one chance.
I will talk to Daisy. زه به له ډیزي سره خبرې وکړم. I will apologize to her. زه به له هغې څخه بخښنه وغواړم. Apologize ویل کېږي بخښنه غوښتل. Please give me one chance. مهرباني وکړه ما ته یوه موقع راکړه. Chance ویل کېږي موقع ته.
Will you really apologize to... Are you sure?
Will you really apologize to Daisy? آیا ته په حقیقت سره له ډیزي څخه بخښنه وغواړې؟ Are you sure? آیا ته یقیني یې؟
Yes. I will not tease her anymore. She is a good girl.
Yes, ho. I will not tease her anymore. زه به نور هغه نه تنګوم. tease ویل کېږي تنګول په عذابول. She is a good girl. هغه یوه ښه جینۍ ده.
I just want to drink coffee with you. Please, Amir. Don't say no.
I just want to drink coffee with you. زه یوازې غواړم چې تا سره یوه پیاله قهوه وچښم. Please Amir don't say no. مهرباني وکړه امیره نه وایه.
I know you don't love me. Daisy is your love.
I know زه پوهیږم you don't love me چې ته زما سره مینه نه کوي. Daisy is your love. Daisy ستا مینه ده.
Thank God. You realized your mistake. Have a seat. I will be right back.
Thank God شکر الله you realized your mistake چې تا خپله غلطي ومنله یعنې ودې پېژندله. Have a seat کېنه I will be right back زه به بېرته راځم.
Where is Daisy? Have you seen her?
Where is Daisy? Daisy چېرته ده؟ Have you seen her? آیا ته هغه لیدلې ده؟
Daisy did not come today. I called her, but she is not answering the phone.
Daisy
What? She should be here. You may go. I will call her.
ورسه she should be here هغه باید دلته وای. You may go ته کولی شې چې لاړه شې. I will call her زه به هغې ته زنګ ووهم.
Dad. Why is he calling me?
Dad پلاره why is he calling me هغه ولې ماته زنګ وهي؟
Hello, Dad. How are you? Is everything okay?
Hello Dad سلام پلاره how are you څنګه یې ته؟ Is everything okay آیا هر څه ټیک دي؟
Daisy is not at work. Where is she? I thought she was a responsible girl.
Daisy is not at work. Daisy په کار کې نشته دلته. Where is she هغه چیرته ده؟ I thought ما فکر کوو she was a responsible girl چې هغه یوه ذمهداره جنۍ ده. responsible کېږي ذمهداره ذمهوار.
She is not with me. I am at home. She must be on the way.
She is not with me هغه له ما سره نشته. I am at home زه به کور کې یم. She must be on the way هغه به ضرور په لاره کې وي.
I called her so many times. She is not answering the phone.
I called her so many times ما هغې ته څو ځلې زنګ ووهه. She is not answering the phone هغه موبایل ته ځواب نه ورکوي.
What? How is this possible? Let me call her.
What sir? How is this possible? دا څنګه ممکن دی؟ Let me call her. ما پرېږده چې زه هغې ته زنګ ووهم.
Amir, where are you? Do you need any help?
Amir, where are you? چېرته یې ته؟ Do you need any help? آیا ته کوم کومک ته ضرورت لرې؟
Hang on a second, Susan. I am coming.
Hang on a second, Susan. یوه شېبه انتظار وکړه سوزنه. I am coming. زه درځم.
Amir, I want a glass of water.
Amir, I want a glass of water. زه یو ګیلاس اوبه غواړم.
Sure, Susan. I will be right back.
Sure, Susan. یقینا سوزنه. I will be right back. زه به بیرته راځم.
You will marry me, Amir. Just wait and watch.
You will marry me, Amir. ته به له ما سره واده کوې امیره. Just wait and watch. یوازې انتظار وکړه او وګوره.
Where are you, Daisy? I am worried about you.
Where are you, Daisy? چې چېرته یې Daisy? I am worried about you. زه ستا باره کې پریشانه یم.
Come on. Pick up the phone.
Come on, pick up the phone. موبایل اوچت کا.
Who are you? Where am I? Let me go.
Who are you? څوک یې ته؟ Where am I? زه چېرته یم؟ Let me go. پرېږده چې لاړه شم.
Shut up. You cannot go from here. Do you hear me?
Shut up. چوپه شه. You cannot go from here. ته نشې کولی چې له دې ځای څخه لاړه شې. Do you hear me? آیا ته ما اورې؟
Why did you kidnap me? Tell me the truth.
Why did you kidnap me? تا ولې زه اغوا کړم. Tell me the truth. ما ته رښتیا ووایه. Truth ویل کېږي رښتیا ته.
Who is behind this plan? I am asking something.
Who is behind this plan? د دې هدف شاته څوک دی؟ I am asking something. زه د یو څه پوښتنه کوم.
If you say one more word, I will shoot you. I am very crazy.
If you say one more word که چېرې دې یوه بله خبره وکړه I will shoot you زه به تا وولمه. I am very crazy زه ډېر لیونی یم. crazy ویل کېږي لیوني ته.
No, no. I will not say anything. Please put your gun down.
No, no, نه. I will not say anything زه به هیڅ هم نه وایم. Please put your gun down. مهرباني وکړه توپانچه دې کته کړه.
You will stay here for a few days. Do you hear
You
me?
will stay here for a few days. ته به دلته پاتې کېږي د یو څو ورځو لپاره. Do you hear me? آیا ته ما اورې؟
Please don't do this to me. I beg you. Let me.
Please don't do this to me. مهرباني وکړه داسې له ما سره مه کوه. I beg you زه تاته سوال کوم. beg ویل کېږي سوال کول. Let me go. پرېمږده چې لاړه شم.
Go. Oh God, help me. Amir, where are you? Please save me.
Oh God help me. یا الله زما کومک وکړه. Amir, where are you? ته چېرته یې؟ Please save me. مهرباني وکړه ما بچه کړه.
This coffee is delicious. Thank you so much, Amir.
This coffee is delicious. دا قهوه چې ده ډېره خوندوره ده. delicious ویل کېږي خوندور ته. Thank you so much Amir. ډېره زیاته مننه امیره.
What happened, Amir? You look upset. Is everything
What happened Amir? څه واقع شول امیره؟ You look upset. ته خفه ښکارې. Is everything okay? آیا هر څه ټیک دي؟
okay?
Daisy the phone. I have to meet her.
Daisy is not picking up the phone. Daisy موبایل نه اوچتوي. I have to meet her. زه باید له هغې سره ملاقات وکړم.
Sure. I will go with you. I will apologize to her.
Sure, یقینا. I will go with you. زه به له تا سره لاړ شم. I will apologize to her. زه به له هغې څخه بخښنه وغواړم. Apologize ویل کېږي بخښنه وغوښتل.
Amir, are you okay? What happened to you?
Amir, are you okay? آیا ته ټیک یې؟ What happened to you? په تا باندې څه واقع شول؟
I am feeling dizzy. I am not feeling well.
I am feeling dizzy. په ما باندې چکر راځي. Dizzy ویل کېږي چکر راتلل سر باندې. I am not feeling well. زه ښه احساس نه کوم.
I want to go to the bathroom. I am going to pass out.
I want to go to the bathroom. زه غواړم چې تشناب ته لاړ شم. I am going to pass out. زه بېهوشه کېږم. Pass out ویل کېږي بېهوشه کېدل.
Don't worry, Amir. You will be fine. I am with you.
Don't worry Amir. پریشانه کېږم امیره. You will be fine. ته به ټیک شې. I am with you. زه له تا سره یم.
I am not feeling well. I am going to pass out.
I am not feeling well. زه ښه احساس نه کوم. I am going to pass out. زه بېهوشه کېږم. Pass out ویل کېږي بېهوشه کېدل.
You need to rest, Amir. I am with you.
You need to rest Amir. ته باید آرام وکړې امیره. I am with you. زه له تا سره یم.
If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch this next video. I know you are going to love